We're not in the Wild West bidding wars that we were in 2020, 2021. It's a great thing. Honestly, that is a great thing. Now you actually have time to find the home that is actually going to fit you, as opposed to we got to be the first one in and we're going to have to bid way over asking price and we can't get anything and all that stress. We don't have that. Let's take the stress level down. Let's get into a comfort zone of, hey, we're going to find what we're really looking for. And Brandon's going to help us, right? So for my buyers out there, I want to start with you. Why? Because this is still a good market for you. Is it 3% interest? No. But again, the values are still going up. Interest rates can come down. And if they go up, so what? You're locked in at this rate. You're not like a rent where it's going to keep going up. You're locked in on a rate. So you're in a good position. We want to help you understand that making that first time home purchase, the second home purchase, or the third home purchase, whatever it may be for you, is not something to be afraid of, right? This is something that we can actually take a little bit of time, breathe through it, and I've got the plan that's going to help you find exactly what you're looking for in the price range that you're looking for. So come with me and let's get started.